Hey gang, so today I'm going to focus on talking about doTERRA's Peace Blend, which is their Reassuring Blend. This is a gorgeous blend that I bought originally to help me sleep a little bit better. So I already used lavender and lavender peace and vetiver, and I was looking for something that was just a little bit different. And I found this guy, and it's beautiful, and it's packed with some of my most favorite essential oils all in one handy little blend, which is wonderful. So I've got the 5 ml straight oil, which you can pop in the diffuser. You can also dilute and use as a massage oil or put it in a rollerball bottle. You can also grab the touch format, which means it's already diluted with fractionated coconut oil. They do that easy for easier application as well. So if you just want to try it, it's a little bit cheaper in the touch format, but I love getting the oil because it's more cost effective. You can make your own roller balls from it as well, and you've got a little bit more options of how to use it with the diffuser and things. So in Peace, the oils that they use in there and why I actually love it so much, it's based on vetiver. So vetiver is an oil which is well known for calming our minds down. So our crazy hectic lives today, majority of people who come to my classes, when I ask them what they would like better support with, it's usually something to do with sleep or stress or anxiety. And vetiver is what I call the big guns that I pull out when someone's really struggling to shut their mind off, especially at bedtime. So it's a very, very grounding oil and just closes all those open windows in your brain and allows you to slip into a restful place so you get a better sleep. So that's our top oil in Peace. Then we've got lavender, of course, so that helps you to relax and calm you down. Ylang ylang, gorgeous floral scent, one of my favorite florals. It's actually the oil of play, so it's quite nice to have it in there. It keeps you relaxed and in a happy state. Frankincense, my favorite oil of all time. It can do no wrong in my eyes. An extremely grounding oil as well, great for meditation and relaxation. Clary sage, again, wonderful for sleep. Marjoram, for relaxation, if you want to use this topically, marjoram is actually wonderful for your muscles as well and helping them relax. So as a massage blend, Peace would be gorgeous to use. Emotionally, this is one of the emotionally supportive oils, which is different from what many people start their oil journey with. Using them for emotional support is really interesting and took me a few months to get into it. But now a lot of my oils I actually use them probably more emotionally than I do for physical things like cleaning the house. I kind of do that anyway now. That's kind of on autopilot for making my home cleaners and using the diffuser to clear the air if there's smells that I want to get rid of. I tend to lean on them much more now for the emotional support side of things. And Peace, as it's known, the Reassuring Blend, is wonderful for helping you if you're lacking that inner peace. So if you are struggling to feel confident, or I'm just reading from my Emotions and Essential Oils book, which if you don't grab and you're really interested in the emotions behind essential oils, it's a wonderful resource to have. It's to help, this blend will help souls achieve true and lasting peace through connection to their source. So it talks about how whenever we are trying to find peace within ourselves, that we try to manufacture it by controlling certain circumstances or certain people, and this is false peace. So this Reassuring Blend is inviting us to look deeper within ourselves and find our own peace instead of trying to manufacture it by controlling outside sources. It asks you to let go of the control and excess attachments in order to achieve incredible peace that flows from the divine. It invites individuals to trust in divine goodness and grace. Reassuring Blend affirms that no amount of control or effort can fill the empty soul. So it's all about looking deep within yourself and helping yourself to be in control of your own situation and not other situations outside of it. It reminds individuals that only by connecting to the divine will they cultivate lasting peace. So a lot of self-work. If you're doing a lot of work on yourself and trying to move through certain obstacles and generally just be in a happier place, then Peace can certainly assist you in doing that. Negative emotions that it can help support you with if you're feeling like you're trying to control things overly, if you're overly attached to things, if you're afraid, spiritually disconnected, and feeling unsafe. So that's what it can support you with. The positive properties that this blend can bring to you, to your life, is a feeling of peacefulness, serenity, contentment, still spiritually connected. So if those are things that you are looking for or that you would like to feel, then using Peace can help. I, as I said, love to use it in my diffuser in the evening in our bedroom to help me relax. But in the afternoon, it could be a really good wind down oil to use in your diffuser. It'd be great for kids as well if they're pretty hectic in the afternoon and you want just everyone to chill out and you're looking for something a little bit different from your usual lavenders and balance and those kind of oils. As a massage blend after a shower in the evening before bed to help you relax, or in your bath with some Epsom salts, it would be beautiful to help you relax at the end of the day, or simply just inhaling it from the bottle. So I just love it. Smells, it's quite a musky smell with the vetiver in there, but then with some florals from the ylang ylang, and then there's spearmint in there, which is really good for I think it's the oil of speech, so it can help clear and help you get your point across much better. So that is the Peace Blend. It's the 5 ml roller, 5 ml oil bottle, and then you can get it in the touch format as well if you want to. I love this blend, and it's a really nice place to start your emotionally supportive journey with oils. Hope you enjoyed that. Speak to you soon, guys.